Yung pong kaso po ni Wesley Barayuga, hopefully po in the coming days po ay makapag-file.
Wala pa rin nakakasuhan ng Philippine National Police sa pagpaslang kay dating Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office Executive Secretary Wesley Barayuga. Ayon kay PNP Public Information Office Chief, Police Brigadier General Jean Fajardo, hindi pa kasi kumpleto ang mga dokumentong kailangan para makapagsampa ng kaso ang PNP Criminal Investigation and Detection Group o CIDG. Ito ay laban sa mga personalidad na pinangalanan sa pagdinig ng House Squad Committee kabilang sa ilang dati at aktibong pulis.
I was informed earlier by the director of CIDG, they're just completing some documentation, and we expect that the PNP and PNP will jointly file the murder cases against those responsible for the death of Wesley Barayuga.
Sinabi pa ni Brigadier General Fajardo na hindi lamang sa kaso ni Barayuga nakatutok ang investigasyon ng PNP, kundi maging sa iba pang unsolved cases kaugnay sa illegal na droga.
So lahat po ng unsolved cases, whether it's a murder or homicide cases, for as long it will fall under the classification of unsolved cases during the time of the previous administration as well as the current administration. These are now being looked upon by the Directorate for Investigation and Detective Management.
Kaugnay nito, suportado naman ang PNP ang gagawing pagbuo ng task force ng Department of Justice na siyang mag-iimbestiga sa mga hinihinalang kaso ng extrajudicial killings.
This is a indication that the PNP will support and closely coordinate po with the NBI and DOJ in their efforts to come up with a, again, credible investigation with respect to these sensational cases mentioned during the congressional hearing po. And of course, for including those questionable police operation that resulted in the death of so many.
Kinumpirma din ng pambansang pulisya na nagsasagawa na rin sila ng hiwalay na investigasyon sa mga tinatawag na cold cases.
On the part of the PNP, sir, we have always been supportive of the efforts of the DOJ to conduct investigation po. While the PNP is conducting its own investigation, but dito po sa mga sensational cases po na nag-crop up po during the congressional hearing.
Bukod sa kaso ng pagpaslang kay Barayuga, isa rin sa iniimbestigahan ng House Squad Com ay ang pagpatay kay Tanawan City Mayor Antonio Halili. Leia Ilagan, UNTV, News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.